Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for watching. Today I will be making some very easy home decor DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Starting with this Dollar Tree large sign, I'm going to paint it using the color I made. I will have the paints I used down in the description box. To cover the shelf, I will be using this Dollar Tree peel and stick or wallpaper. I will be adding the word home, and I'm using these burlap letters that I got from Walmart. I think the pack was under either $3 or $4, but I had these for a while and I already used them so many times that I did not have an E. So with an I and a K, I will be making the E. These letters come with adhesive, so all you have to do is peel the little paper on the back and then just place them wherever you want them to go. For the O, I will be adding some greenery and a bow. And that is it for this large home sign. For my next project, I will be using 3 of these wood hanging decor and 2 large popsicle sticks. I got these from Walmart. I'm going to just cut them to size. I will not be gluing the wood pieces together. Instead, I will be using the popsicle sticks and I will be using hot glue. I will be adding one at the top and one at the bottom. To paint this, I will be using the same paint I used earlier. But I will be adding some black to make the popsicle sticks darker. The next thing I will be doing is using this Dollar Tree stencil, and this is not self-adhesive, so you have to either hold it down while you paint or use a little bit of tape. I will be holding mine and I'm using this sponge brush and white paint. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to just paint around it and fix it up using the leftover paint that was on the paintbrush. Now you can leave it like this, but I decided to just add some more to it, and I'm using this Dollar Tree greenery. I'm going to cut 2 stems off and then tie them together using some jute twine and add it at the bottom. I will be adding a bow in the center, and I used this ribbon that I got from Walmart. The next thing I will be doing is making 2 holes at the top, and the string that I removed from one of the little wood hanging planks, I will be using it on this. And that is it for this beautiful farm fresh sign. For my next project, I will be using 2 of these wood shapes, and I will be cutting the top off. Looks like it's sleeves, but I'm going to do that to both boxes. I will be reusing 2 of these Dollar Tree wood pieces. Now these are 12 inches each, and I'm going to add them on the sides of the little wood shapes using hot glue. Going to paint the entire thing, even the ones that are on the sides that are already painted. It's almost the same color, it's just a little bit more brown. And this is how it looks. To decorate the little wood shape, I will be adding some jute twine and making a bow to the top one. And to the bottom, I will be adding this little heart that I already had and a bow to cover the hole. And that is it. Now you can use this as a pencil holder, as a makeup brush holder, or you can just add some greenery. For my next project, I'm using this wood circle. Now I already had this, I got it from Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree carries wood circles that you can use instead. I'm going to paint it using the same paint I have been using. Now I'm using another stencil. This one is from Hobby Lobby. It was $3.99, but I got it, not $3.99, $2.99, and I got this on sale for, I believe, 50% off. But as you can see, 2 of these stencils come in this pack and they are pretty big. I will be using the word bless and white paint. Once I removed the stencil, as you can see, the letters were too thin and they did bleed a lot more than the ones from Dollar Tree. So to fix that up, I used this paint marker and I made the letters a little bit thicker. And this is how it looks after I went over with the paint marker, which I think looks so much better. To finish this off, I will be adding some of the Walmart boxwood greenery. I did make 2 different picks and I tied them together in the center using some jute twine. And then I will be gluing this to the sign. To cover that up, I will be adding a bow and I'm using this great burlap ribbon that I got from Dollar General, and I will be making a double bow without a tail. And that is it for this beautiful Blessed Decor sign. For my next project, I will be making some sconces for my gather sign that I recently made, which I'll have the link down in the description box. I made a large gather sign for my dining room and it just needed something else, so I decided to make these. Now from Dollar Tree, I will be using 2 more of these wood shapes and 2 of the Dollar Tree wood planks. I will be removing the little pieces of the top from these wood shapes. I'm using a piece of cinch to just smooth these out before I glue them to the wood planks. I will be reusing 2 of the wood planks. As you can see, these are already painted. And I'm adding the little wood pieces at the bottom using hot glue. Now I use hot glue because I'm not using anything heavy, but if you're adding some heavy things to this, I recommend you using wood glue instead. To paint this, I will be using the same paint I have been using. And I'm also painting the wood planks the same color, even though they're already painted. They are a little bit lighter and more like a gray color. This new paint I'm using is more of a brown tone. And this is how they look. Now I'm going to add some of these Dollar Tree thumbtacks to match the gather sign. And this is how they look. Now I'm going to leave mine plain with only the thumbtacks, but you can add more things to this to decorate it some more. Now I'm going to flip them around and add some sawtooth hooks to the back and then add the greenery. What I love about these is that I will be able to use these all year round by just switching the greenery. And that is it for these sconces, which I think they turn out so beautiful and they look so nice right next to my large gather sign. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.